But I can't do that. I can't.
But why are they telling you to break up with him? What has he done?
It beats me. I have no idea. My brother just doesn't see eye to eye with my guy.
Amma, do you know what I want you to do? Sit auntie down. Talk to her. She's a reasonable person.
In my grandma's apartment, we live with different characters. And we don't mind our business. Snooping everywhere, causing confusions. Oh, every day, wahala, day, no.
Aku,
Every day,
did you or did you not see me?
I saw you.
So why didn't you greet me?
Grandpa, in fact, I am not happy with you. Why are you treating me like this? What wrong have I done to you? Why? Is marriage by force?
Look, I have told you time and time again that don't call me Grandpa. Did I give birth to your father? I am not your grandfather, or Tom.
You think so?
Yes.
Then I will try and see if I can talk to her tomorrow.
Just do that.
Because I really can't break up with Ansa. I love him so much.
You know what? Feel free to tell me anything. If there is something bothering you, just come to me, okay?
Thank you.
Cheer up! Get up and go and eat your food, Joe. Go.
What food is it?
Fufu. Now you eat.
Have you eaten yours?
Yes, I'm okay.
But you are old enough to be my grandfather. So, I'll call you Grandpa.
I'll forgive you because of love. Look, I know you are young and therefore need special attention. So, I have decided to divorce my second wife so that you become number 2 instead of number 3.
In my grandma's apartment, we live with
Grandpa, can I please ask you this question?
Go ahead.
If I were to be your biological granddaughter and I bring home a man as old as you as my husband, will you agree?
Of course. That is if he is strong and has money. What's wrong with that?
Are you strong? Do you have money? Listen, Grandpa. Even if you divorce all your 2 wives, I will not marry you today nor tomorrow. Please, leave me alone.
Aku, listen and listen carefully. If you do not know, let me tell you. I am 100% stronger than that boy you call your boyfriend. Okay? All right. We shall see in this house.
Young lady, how are you?
Fine.
How may I help you?
Please, do you remember me?
Sewa,
Yes.
Amma's friend.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So, how may I help you?
Brother Son, please understand Amma. Know that she has every right to choose a partner for herself.
Okay.
Don't forget she is 18 and above.
18 and above. Sewa, who are your parents?
Mr. and Mrs. Ado.
Mr. and Mrs. Ado. And did they have time for you?
Yes.
I mean, did they advise you?
Yes, please.
And they advise you to date any idiot. Is that the advice they give you? Slay Queen. And Titia will feel so. In fact, your upbringing in the house is questionable. Sir, see, I want my sister Amma you see there to become one of the women of virtue. So hey, so you came all the way from your house to come and tell me that Amma is 18 years. Oh, so because she's 18 years, I shall allow her to go out with any idiot. Oh, Mabuka. In fact, I don't get it. Do you know what? I'm busy because I have some leakage up there. So if you can excuse me.
In my grandma's apartment, we live with different characters. And we don't mind our business, snooping everywhere, causing confusions. Oh, every day, wahala, day, no way, we no go pay.
Aku!
Every day, wahala,
Aku!
day,
Yes, Grandma.
what you say, we no go take. I
Good
wanna
day,
take
Grandma.
you to
Good
my
day, Aku.
grandma's apartment.
Is Cindy back from school?
Yes, please. She's doing her homework in her room.
Oh, good. Remember I told you I was going to bring someone to assist you.
Yes, please.
That's Nakwale, my niece.
Okay. Welcome now. Thank you.
Nakwale, this is Aku, the housekeeper.
Nice to meet you.
The pleasure is all mine.
Aku, send her to your room.
Let me help you.
Okay.
Oh. That's your uniform.
Thank you, Grandma.
You wear it during working hours.
Yes, please.
I don't want to see you in any other attire apart from this during working hours.
Yes, Grandma.
Good. Cindy! Cindy!
Yes, Grandma.
My princess.
Good evening, Grandma. Good evening, Auntie.
Good evening, Cindy.
How is my princess doing?
I'm fine.
Good. Remember I told you I was going to bring someone to assist Auntie Aku with the household chores? Well, here's Nakwale.
Hello, Auntie Na.
Hello, Cindy. How are you?
Nice to meet you.
The pleasure is all mine.
I want you to give her the maximum respect that you accord everybody in this house. Good. Are you done with your homework?
In my grandma's apartment,
Ale,
we live with different characters.
you're welcome.
And we don't mind our
Yes.
business,
One,
snooping everywhere.
you took a bath before you start your household chores. 2, I don't want to see your uniform crumpled.
Hey, see your hair.
Oh, leave my hair.
So when do you plan on braiding your hair?
You know what? You will see me soon. Ha!
I trust you. Yesterday's fufu, who prepared it?
See, you don't know how to do anything, so yesterday's we prepared it. Look at these anointed hands.
I know.
Amma, I wanted to ask you this. What's up with you and Auntie's issue?
Auntie is just being another man too. I spoke to her, but she's still insisting I break up with my boyfriend and son simply because he claims he heard he's a rascal. I mean, who does that? You don't even know the person. At least get to know him first. But no.
I'm confused. I don't even know what to do. So, what do you want to do now?
As it stands now, I am tired of all this drama. If I get, I'll just elope with him.
In my grandma's apartment, we live with different characters.
The moment I started mentioning my name, Chief Justice Emeritus Lieutenant Timbanofia, in other words, the man just said, "Guy, leave my office. I won't give you the job."
God.
It's nice.
You made me laugh.
The name there. The name. But, by the way, how are things going here?
Well, I can't complain. Yesterday, Grandma brought her niece. She's called Na. She says she'll be assisting me with the house chores.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. At least it will reduce your pressure.
Yeah. I just hope Ija does not pollute her mind like he did with Cindy.
Oh, no, I don't think he'll do that. He's not going to try that. You just be nice to her and you'll be fine.
I hope so. You must be going now. I have things to do inside. And Grandma too might be on her way.
Right now, eh?
No. Stay here.
Okay. I'll call you. I'll call you when I get my phone.
Okay,
Yeah,
sure.
the repairer promised me today, so.
Okay, bye.
Okay.
Seriously.
Did you listen to yourself? So, is the guy also ready to do the same thing?
I have told you countless times that this guy loves me so much. If I sit him down and talk to him, of course, why wouldn't he?
Amma, let me tell you something. All what I will tell you is follow your heart. But don't do something and later regret. Okay? I know what I'm saying.
I've heard you.
Follow your heart, oh!
See who is talking. So, what will you braid your hair? Is it there or?
I'll go somewhere very far.
Because?
No one touches my head just like that.
Hey, you that.
Yes.
Anyways, my boyfriend said he sent me money very soon to go and do a nice out. You know, I always tell you how sweet, loving, caring, hardworking, God-fearing my boyfriend is.
Hey! Oh my God!
I miss him so much.
Hey! Love one thing.
Hi for you.
And the way she accepted the whole thing was, it was nice.
I missed it. You should have just come on. It's my favorite TV show.
You know.
Aku.
Yes.
You see, I'm new here, and I would like you to give me a brief description about everyone in this house. You know, I didn't really live with my auntie, so I don't really know much about her. Yes.
Well, there is really nothing more or much for you to know. Only that Grandma is more of a perfectionist. And Cindy, on the other hand, is quite stubborn, but very adorable.
I see, I can attest to that.
Auntie, please, can I have a word with you?
Yeah, why not? Have a seat.
Thank you.
What is it?
Auntie, it's about my relationship with Ansa.
If this is what you want to talk about, enter. Go inside. I keep on telling you, you're too young to be talking about these things. Go inside.
Auntie, please, at least get to...
I said go inside. I don't want you to be talking about these things.
Auntie, please. Just listen to what I have to say, I beg you.
Yeah, I think that'll be all.
Yeah, that's really nice.
Yeah.
But what about the chef? You didn't mention him.
As for that man, I'd rather warn you than to tell you about him.
Warn me. But why is that?
Yes, warn you. So far as you are staying in this house, I would like you to stay peacefully in this house.
Okay.
Because if by any chance you fall into that man's trap, you will suffer. So please, just stay away from him so long as you are in this house.
Okay. Well, if you say so, you know more than I know, so
Yeah.
if you say so. But I have another question. The chef, okay? How is his food like? Is it plenty? Does he serve plenty food?
Nah, he will serve you the quantity that will satiate you.
What if they share me? Will he give like Does he give extra food, like more food? If you see,
I can see you like food.
In my grandma's apartment, we live with different characters. And we don't mind our business. Snooping everywhere, causing confusion.
Talk, I'm listening.
Auntie, you've known me ever since I was born. And I have never been in any relationship before. Neither have I fallen in love before. But with Ansen's issue is different. I love him genuinely, and I know he loves me equally. Please don't base on what Brother Sam told you to judge him. I can call Ansan over for a meeting if that's what you want. So you get to meet him, to interact with him, and then get to know him better. And I promise you, if you still think he's not good enough for me after the meeting, I will break up with him right in front of you. Please, Auntie. You are a woman like I am, and I know you've been in love before. Please.
I've heard you. I'll think about it.
You promise?
Yeah, I will. I'll think about it. Have you eaten?
Not yet.
Why?
I just don't have appetite.
Go inside and eat something. I'll think about it.
Okay. Thank you.
In my grandma's apartment, we live with different characters. And we don't mind our business. Snooping everywhere, causing confusions.
Okay.
Oh, every day, wahala, day. No way, we no go pay. Every day, wahala, day. What you say? We no go take. I wanna take you to my grandma's apartment. My grandma's apartment.
Good morning, Na.
Kwe, Belenja Wumwana. Can't you call me auntie?
No, Na is a title, so as auntie. And if I add all together, it would be tautology.
Yeah, Tame. You know what? Me give a kind bluff okay, ni be a boy, Kabama say. When you came out, we were going somewhere, so fine. Go peacefully and let me work in peace. I beg,
Isn't your towel too short?
In my grandma's apartment, we live with different characters. And we don't mind our business. Snooping everywhere.
You know, this is even longer than how I wanted it to be. You see, you were a kid, so you don't know what's up. Too short.
I think Grandma must see this.
Hey, Cindy!
Oh, every day, wahala, day.
Cindy!
Is
she going to treat me?
Ifya, guess what?
You know, I'm not good at guessing.
Yeah. Anyway, so Auntie has finally agreed to my relationship with my boyfriend, Ansa.
Wow!
Yeah.
I'm happy for you.
I'm happy too.
Wow. We thank God for that.
You know, she advised me on things to do and how to go about the whole thing so that I wouldn't mess up my life and that of my education.
Wow. You know, I told you, Auntie is a reasonable person. She's a woman like us, so...
Aku, Nah, I have a question.
What is it?
What have you done to the chef? It's like he doesn't like you at all.
Nah, I haven't done anything to the chef. He just doesn't like me.
Wait, just like that. I don't think he hates you without a reason. There must be something why he doesn't like you.
Nah, I usually don't like to talk about this.
No, but you can trust me, okay? There is a saying that a problem shared is half solved. So please, tell me about it.
Nah, chef wants me to be his third wife.
You are not serious.
And I refused. So that's where all this is coming from.
Wait, you mean he already has 2 wives? And he wants you to be his third?
I want you to listen to Auntie very well. As the elders say, what an elderly man sees sitting, a child will never see, even on a highest tree. So, listen to her very careful. You know I always want to see you happy. Don't do anything that will cause any problem somewhere. I don't want to see you hurt.
I know. And I'm happy. I'm like so happy.
Look at you. So, when are you going?
Auntie said I should call my boyfriend over for a short meeting. So when he's going, I'll go with him.
Hey! Love! Love!
Are you for do?
Hey! It is sweet to you. Hey!
It is. See who is talking. As if you're not in love yourself. Please.
With who?
Your ex will say.
But have you told Grandma about it?
No.
Hey, Aku. It was an abone no ketashiane.
Nah. If I should tell Grandma about this, and she terminates her contract with him, who will cater for his family?
Hey.
Chef is a full-grown man who takes care of his household. I don't want to create any troubles for him.
You are here, okay? But you know, okay, if it was me, she and never watchula.
Now I know. But I've gotten used to it already. I have a reason why I'm in this house. So I'll just finish with whatever I want to. Then I'm out of here. He won't keep on torturing me for life. So just forget him.
You are here, okay?
But you know what? You must teach me, Gan. So I'll also teach you a way.
No worry. But still, we have to think about telling Grandma because this thing is not fair.
Forget him.
Don't just hit someone like that.
Hey, brother, you're welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine.
It's Auntie in.
Yeah, please, can you?
Oh,
Can
no,
I come inside?
I want us to sit down.
Please, may I offer you some water?
Oh, I'm okay.
Then let me call Auntie.
Sure.
Well, I invited you here because of Amma.
Sure.
And you know she's been with me for some time now. And we've had a long talk, actually. A lengthy talk. And in the beginning, I wasn't easy with her. I was so mad at her. But I took time and then I listened to her and I realized, Sam, your sister is deeply in love. She's in love. And she's a big girl now. So the only thing I will tell you is that let's support this relationship. That's the best we can do for her. Let's support her and guide her through this relationship. So what is your take?
Auntie, if you say we should support her, does that mean we should support her for this idiot to end my sister's education? Auntie, are you sure if Daddy is alive, he will allow Amma to go out with this naughty guy at this tender age? No, Auntie. Auntie, it shouldn't be possible. I think maybe you've not gotten the whole show, Auntie. I say, one, this guy, it's not that he's only womanizer. He uses this thing, they call it conchon. Have you heard of that before?
No.
Oh, they use it on the lip so that your lip will be red.
Yeah.
And when the women see it, that's it. And that is what the guy is using.
Sam.
Auntie.
I mean, the most important thing is that she told me they are not involved sexually. And we should be happy about that. She's a good girl. And she claimed the guy is a good guy too. And the girl is deeply in love. That is what I can tell you.
Auntie, no. What kind of stupid love is that? That he is in love with my sister, so I should allow him to go out with my sister. No.
Sam, calm down. I don't want this issue with your sister ending up in the police station. I don't want that. So I think we should just allow them. Let them be. At the right time, I'm sure the guy will come here and then we'll talk.
I think you don't know the guy. That's why you're in support of him. You don't know him. And I don't know what's wrong with my sister. And I'm saying that if there is even juju, I'll make sure that I clear that juju.
Let your sister be for now. Okay?
I want to ask my leave. I want to leave.
You are leaving so soon?
Auntie, it's not that I'm disrespecting you, but I have 1 or 2 things to sort out.
Sam.
But Auntie, so far as Sam, leave, there is no way that Ansa will have his way at all. Oh, then, Auntie, see, I think that's why I'm saying you don't understand me. But you will talk. No matter what, if even it will take me to flash my sister out of my life,
are you listening to yourself?
I'll do that. Oh yes, Wanga Kuma Namutani.
Are you listening to yourself?
Namutani.
Sam! Sam!
In my grandma's apartment, we live with different characters. And we don't mind our business, snooping everywhere, causing confusions. Oh, every day, wahala, day, no way, we no go pay. Every day, wahala, day, what you say? We no go take. I wanna take you to my grandma's apartment. My grandma's apartment. Oh, I wanna take you to my grandma's apartment. My grandma's apartment.
Amma, the way things are happening nowadays, Charlie is scary. See, your brother has gone to my workplace, my church, my loved ones, my auntie. He's threatening me to everybody he sees. He will do this to me. If I don't quit with his sister, he will do that to me. He will flash me. It's getting scary. Okay, Amma, see, I love you. Okay, but the way things are going, I think it is advisable we call it quits. Yes, I think we have to quit. It's becoming too dangerous, Amma. It's dangerous.
I refuse to understand you, Ansa. How can you even say this to me? Look, I love you so much. And I know you love me equally. Look, don't let what my brother and my auntie are saying or doing to make us break up. What exactly can my brother do to the two of us? The worst thing he can do is just to insult us. He can't kill me, neither can he kill you. And so what will life be without you? Remember the promise you made me.
Amma, see, you won't understand. You won't understand. The way this guy is going about the whole thing. Charlie, it's not like I can't face Sam. Who is Sam? Who is he? I can face him everywhere, on every platform, anywhere. But you see, a living sheep is always better than a dead lion. You see, I love peace. You also love peace. The way he's going about things is getting too dangerous. What if the unexpected happens? You see that? Yes, I love you. I've proven beyond all reasonable doubts that it is you I love and it is you I want to marry. But your brother. Okay? Please, understand me. Understand me, please.
Look, please. Okay, please, I beg you. I just can't see my life without you in it. Please. Please, okay. Look at me. It's me, your Amma. You know what? Let's go inside.
Amma, be careful. This thing you are doing, it will put us in trouble.
Sweet trouble.
That's what you were.
Let me get some sugar. I missed you.
It's been only 4 days now, and half of the foodstuff is gone. Ejanto tells me one of you have been doing the stealing. Which of you have been doing that? Speak up!
Please, Grandma. You know I've been with you for a very long time. And I've never stolen from this house before.
I know.
Please, Grandma. I hope Aku is not trying to insinuate that I'm the thief.
Did she mention your name?
No, but the way she's acting in the tantrum...
Oh, shut up! Now back to your post. I know what to do.
In my grandma's apartment, we live with different characters. And we don't mind our business.
How far with your boyfriend, Answer?
Well, it's fine.
Amma, do you think Answer really loves you the way you love him?
Why not? Look, Ansan loves me so much. And he's willing to do anything. And I mean anything just to make me happy.
That's good. But the way your brother is going about warning him, don't you think he might lose interest in you?
Ansan is resolute, no matter what anybody will say or do to him. Besides, he has promised me never to break my heart. And I trust him.
Wow, that's good. Then in that case, I would advise you to be faithful to him. But I would not advise you to engage in any sexual act with him.
She. But didn't if I would do.
Hey, Amma, look at you. When you get pregnant, then you will know.
I won't get pregnant, yeah.
So, Amma, you are doing it. Hush! Amma, just be careful.
In my grandma's apartment,
where is that Tracy girl?
different characters.
Can we talk about different things?
I think whoever is stealing those food items should show themselves. I feel for Grandma. As old as she is, she's still trying her best to cater for this whole house. It's not fair for just anybody to be stealing the food items she bought with her hard-earned money.
So you are insinuating that I'm the one who steals those food items, right?
I don't remember saying anything like that.
No, but what do you mean by whoever is taking those items, you are saying it's not you. So definitely, you don't know Kemi and Kemi. Did you know? Mean you want to be a Jena?
I didn't say that. For all we know, it could be Cindy or even Eja.
Look, don't take me for a fool. Look, I'm not mad. The flash, look, you understand? I won't even be shocked if you are the one who has been stealing those food items. Yes, I won't be shocked at all because we're going to
What?
Yes, I think, you know what, I think you are just doing all this so my auntie be like, ever since I came to this house, but look, your plan, it has failed. Come on, it failed.
See, I think you are overreacting.
I'm over what? That be over me, like into it, what? Look, don't try me, don't dare me in this house at all. Me jina kwale, ya be any nje. Me ake me luwe. Me ganyo dente, me ganyo onye ma me gato lo kale, ya me luwe. Wait, I'm over what? Kemaka, don't try me in this house, I'm telling you. Foolish girl.
In my grandma's apartment, we live with different characters.
Cindy, do you have some laundry?
Yes, I do. Kindly check in my room.
Okay, sure.
Auntie Aku, please come. I want to have a conversation with you. Kindly take a seat.
Oh, every day, wahala, day, no way.
What is it? Are you sure you're not responsible for the theft?
No, please. I will never do such a thing.
I know, but do you have any suspects?
No. But I believe it's one of Aja's plans.
What if it isn't? How do you see my auntie, your new co-maid?
You mean Nah?
Exactly. You think she's the culprit?
No, Cindy. I doubt she will do that. I've never wronged her in any way.
You think this is just a mere coincidence, don't you?
Yes. And I hope the real culprit is brought to light.
I hope so too.
I must be leaving now.
Okay. I'm willing to help you if you need it.
Thank you, Cindy.
One again. Now I'm here, didn't you?
Nah.
Grandpa.
You are hungry. You have already eaten 3 times today. Oats with us in the morning. Then you took tea and bread all on your own. And then 30 minutes ago, you ate red plantain and what? Beans. Now, why?
And we don't mind our business. Snooping everywhere, causing confusions.
How do you know that?
Nah, I know everything. I also know that you are responsible for the missing foodstuffs.
Grandpa, me, I don't know what you are talking about. Too.
Nah. I have seen you tiptoe out of the kitchen at night a couple of times. But trust me, I will not sell you out.
Yes, Grandpa, it's true. But please don't tell my auntie about it too.
Don't worry. Your secret is safe with me.
Grandpa, when the anger comes like that, me, I can't control. Wherever I need your ma, I me, I can, my eulogy, I eat a lot.
In simple terms, you are a glutton. Minkrof was a zifo, tumful. My law. You eat too much, nah? You eat too much. But like I said, don't worry. Huh?
Grandpa, thank you very, very much. Thank you very much. Look, Tell me anything you want me to do for you. I'll do it if it's within my fee. Shabo crack. Let's mention before get mention it. I'll do it.
Really well?
Grandpa, me no want fee. Just mention it. Get 1 to 4. My fee 1 to 10. Get near my fee 1 to 5. Grandpa 1. Oversize Ogbeame.
And we don't mind our business, snooping everywhere, causing confusions. Oh, every day, wahala
Grandma,
day.
food is ready. May I serve now?
Please do.
We no go
Cindy will be done soon.
Every day, wahala day. What you say? We no go take. I wanna take you to my grandma's
Yes, please.
apartment. My grandma's apartment. Oh, I wanna take you to my grandma's apartment. My grandma's apartment.
Please, where's my food? I can't see it here.
You will keep looking.
I asked a simple question.
Madam, please. When you came, I was eating and minding my business. Why will you be asking me for food? Do I keep food? Oh.
But why the mood?
Your pineapple juice, Cindy.
Thank you.
Good.
I don't remember offending you. Oh, Grandpa, it's good you are here. Please, I came for my supper. Grandpa, I said that...
I am busy, okay? Even the food is finished. What is left in the bowl is all that is left in it. I have already packaged mine.
And we don't mind our business, snooping everywhere, causing confusions.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mom. Oh.
Eja, the food is too much for only Cindy and I. You shouldn't be dishing out food like this. Remember what I told you about management.
In my grandma's apartment.
Is this supposed to be mine?
You want to know?
This is too small.
And we don't mind our
And so?
business, snooping
Me no tell my fee. What do you expect me to do? Lebi elenche jen tabiye. Ma lose appetite.
Has everybody been served?
You don't have to worry at all, madam. Everybody has been served as usual.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Bon appetit.
Now see.
Grandma,
Yes, dear.
don't you think Grandpa is up to something?
Up to what?
I have a feeling that he has a master plan to sabotage someone. Why? I don't know. But I feel he hates Auntie Aku.
Why will you think so? Why will you think like that? Or is it because of what he said about her stealing foodstuffs the other time? That was only a thought. Let's eat before the food gets cold. Yes.
I brought some drink and biscuit for you. You might be hungry.
Thank you for caring. But how did you know I would be hungry?
I knew something was wrong. Grandpa served too much food at lunch today.
Well, yes. He gave me the last portion of the meal. It wasn't enough, but I managed.
You still haven't told me why Grandpa hates you so much.
Cindy, Grandpa wants me to be his wife. And I refused.
Marriage? Grandpa. But he's old enough to be your grandfather.
Yes. I don't think I should be telling you this. You're too young.
I want to help you. I want to help you get ahead of Grandpa. I have a feeling his next plan might be serious.
Thank you, Cindy. But I don't think that would be necessary. Let him do whatever he wants. So now, go to your room and study, okay?
In my grandma's apartment, we live with different characters. And we don't mind our business.
Nah, come. Wait for me here.
Oh, every day, wahala, day. No way, we no go pay. Every day, wahala, day. What you say?
This is for fulfilling your part of the job. And I promise I'll give you more food if you continue working with me.
Hey, Grandpa. You have no idea whose life you've saved, though. God bless you. Look, I was so hungry. Let me just go and start.
Where are you taking it? Come on. Look, you know you can't sit there and eat. What if someone sees you? They will all say, I gave all the food to you.
Lelemo.
Look, remember, nobody must know that I give you all this food just for you to help me to make the life of that foolish Aku miserable in this house. Cindy, what can I do for you?
Grandpa, I hope you're not bribing Na into your plans against Auntie Aku.
What plans? I don't have plans against anybody, much more Aku.
Grandpa, you're not treating Auntie Aku well, and you don't give her enough food.
Will you shut up? Come on, go back to your room.
Grandpa, the evil that men do lives after them.
Why? You fear? Come on, go and enjoy it. Don't mind her. Go!
I wanna take you to my grandma's apartment. My grandma's apartment.
Hey, come back here. Look, whatever you saw yesterday is not what you think of. I hope you've not gone to tell Grandma or Auntie Aku about it. I know you.
There's a saying that nobody tired. You are running away. You see what your guilty conscience have done to you. Why would you want to hurt a sister?
Look, Cindy, I'm not hurting anybody. I've not even done anything to Aku. And besides, Eja is not even my friend.
Don't lie, nah. Grandpa is trying to bribe you with food into his evil plan.
In my grandma's apartment, we live.
So you are trying to tell me that I'm a fool?
Suit yourself. I didn't say anything. You did.
And we don't mind our business. Snooping everywhere, causing confusions.
I should suit myself.
Oh, every day, wahala, day. No way, we no go pay. Every day, wahala, day. What you say? We no go take. I wanna take you to my grandma's apartment. My grandma's apartment.
Hello there.
Take you to my
Hi. How you doing, my sweetie? Good to see you.
Cindy. Daisy!
Take her in.
Good evening, Grandma.
Good evening. It's been a while.
Yes, ma'am.
Has she left?
Oh, yes.
Good.
She left. So, as my madam said, she wants her to spend some days here
No problem.
until she returns from her trip.
That's fine. We'll take very good care of her. Besides, Cindy needs company.
I can see that. I can see that. I can see that. All right. I will not take long. I will leave.
Right. Take care of yourself and drive safe.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Aku!
I wanna take you to my grandma's apartment. My grandma's
gate.
apartment.
Cindy, you didn't tell me how the little happening here.
In my grandma's apartment, we live with different characters. And we don't mind our business. Snooping everywhere, causing confusions.
You haven't seen the whole house yet.
Wow, Cindy. I can sleep on this bed for 4 days straight. This bed is way cooler than the waterbed I told you I had.
Would you like us to continue the tour, madam? Or you rather sleep here for 4 good days?
Duh, show me. Especially that awful chef you told me about.
You mean Eja?
Yeah.
No problem.
Sure.
And we don't mind our business. Snooping everywhere, causing confusions. Oh, every day, wahala, day. No way, we no go pay. Every day, wahala, day. What you say? We no go take. I wanna take you to my grandma's apartment. My grandma's apartment.
I've been sitting here for more than 1 hour. Won't you serve me my food or serving me?
Nah. At least you are still eating a whole bag full of bananas. Are you still feeling hungry?
Grandpa, you know that this one is just starter the keke. It is the main meal that I'm waiting for.
Rabba, it is the papa. Tumful. Ah! The case is Yamagana Funina. Eh? Abasama! Unzizi them.
Grandpa, you say you like the way I am, you say you like the way I eat. So why are you complaining now? Look, it's not like you have any choice. You obey choice. You don't have a choice. You have to do what I want from you. Remember, I have your secret. I have your secret.
I know, but don't worry. I have no problem with your foodie nature. As long as you do what I want. Mpocho, tsodo kakra ai. Na easy dodo. Ah. Or was you eating competition and that?
So this here is the kitchen. You can get anything edible you can think of.
Oh my God. You could consume all this by yourself.
In my grandma's apartment, we live with different characters. And we don't mind our business.
Who are you?
Snooping
What is your problem?
Causing confusions.
Don't you get tired of eating? You eat as if judgment day is tomorrow.
Look at this little girl. Talking to her auntie like that. When you came in, you didn't even regard us as human beings. Eh? Look, if she's eating so much, is the banana yours? Is it your banana? Did you buy the banana?
Please, calm down. We are only trying to figure out What normal human being can consume this much as a starter?
Oh. Is it me that you people are talking to like that? Hey, children of these days, you don't respect anything. Come on. No way. No way. Where? I will slap both of you left, right, center.
Duh. We are not scared of you. Do the worst you can do, glutton.
Hey, if me people are talking to like that, I swear to God, I'll just go to fair.
In my grandma's apartment, we live with different characters.
Why is she on the floor?
Grandma, it's Cindy and her friend. They walked into the kitchen here, started insulting Na. In her attempt to teach them a little lesson, she slipped on a banana peel and fell, almost breaking her waist.
Aku, help Na up and take her to the room. I'll call the doctor. Eja, please tidy up the mess.
I'll do that. Just that.
I'm disappointed in both of you. Especially you, Cindy. This time you've crossed the boundary.
Sorry, Grandma.
I'm not taking that. You are grounded. Both of you.
Grandma.
Hey, don't grandma me. Your TV will be taken away, your laptop and your phones. And that's my final verdict. Plus, you'll be doing your own laundry and tidying up too. I hope you learn how to respect the elderly. And besides, both of you should be out by 7 p.m. I'm introducing Angela properly.
It's not fair.
It's all my fault. I shouldn't have made a scene about it.
Don't worry, Angie. It's not your fault. It's all because of that chef.
I don't like him. I don't like him at all. I don't like him.
He doesn't know what he has done. He has touched the wrong doll.
Her condition is not that severe. She'll be experiencing some pain around the waist area, but with time it will heal.
Thank God. I thought it was that serious.
No, please. I'll prescribe some painkillers for her for the pain, and also she'll be needing a gentle therapeutic massage around the waist area every single day to aid in the healing process.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, madam. I better take my leave now.
Let me see you off.
In my grandma's apartment, we live with different characters.
Is man why you are?
How are you feeling? Hey, how is you feeling? Eh? Don't I look fun enough? Eh? Oh. Or you wanted me to die? Eh?
I'm very sure she wanted to see you dead. What do you expect from a wifu? Thieves.
Look, I told you not to call me by that name.
What should we call you, madam? Are you not a thief?
See, I don't know why both of you hate me so much. I only thought it wise to ask you how you are doing after the fall.
Yeah, doctor. Aku, clearly, you can see, we don't need it.
We don't need it too, madam.
And we don't mind our business. Snooping everywhere, causing confusion.
Betty. Boys and I want to
What is wrong? had to stop everything and rush here.
I don't have peace in this house anymore. It's like everyone is against me, including the new maid to whom I've done nothing to. Ija is getting worse. I'm so confused right now.
Is it because you rejected his proposal?
I think so. And I don't know what he told the new maid, because she does not like me at all.
Wow. That is hard.
What if Cindy was right? What if he has major plans to sabotage me?